Evan Michael Santopani, born April 7, 1981 in Bridgeport, Connecticut, is a retired American professional bodybuilder and nutritionist. Struggling with obesity in his youth, he weighed 220 pounds by the age of 12. To combat this, he began running and later transitioned to weight training, ultimately discovering his passion for bodybuilding at the age of 23. Santopani's competitive journey began in 2005, where he quickly made a name for himself by winning the heavyweight class at the Bev Francis Atlantic States Show. He earned his IFBB Pro card in 2007 after winning the super heavyweight class at the NPC National Bodybuilding and Fitness Championships. His professional debut came in 2009 at New York Pro, where he unexpectedly secured first place. Through his career, Santopani achieved notable placements, including first at the 2011 Flex Pro and the third at the 2012 Arnold Classic. He competed in several Mr. Olympia events, finishing as high as 8th in 2012. Despite not winning the Mr. Olympia title, he is regarded as a prominent figure in bodybuilding, particularly in 2010. In February 2017, Santopani suffered a severe injury when he slipped on ice, rupturing his quadriceps tendon. This injury sidelined him from competition and prompted a focus on recovery, which he documented on his YouTube channel. He aimed for a comeback in 2020 at the New York Pro, but the event was cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Santopani's training philosophy emphasizes practical nutrition strategies, often advocating for budget-friendly meal planning. He believes in the importance of consistency and volume in diet, maintaining a regimen that includes multiple protein-rich meals a day. His approach to bodybuilding combines rigorous training with a deep understanding of nutrition, making him a respected figure in the fitness community.